Hello students, as you all know, we have completed our science lesson number 16 explanation during online sessions. Now today we are going to read the lesson, and for that we will need Science Ahead textbook. While reading, you need to sit on a place where you will get enough light. While reading, you need to keep your pointer finger on each and every word. Okay? Now let us start reading, and for that you need to open Science Ahead textbook page number 87. Page number 87, lesson number 16, Your Senses. Mind opener. Look at the pictures below. Can you tell what each child is doing? Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify and name the 5 sense organs of the body. Explain the functions of each sense organ. Explain how the sense organs help us to know the world around us. Now here you can see 5 pictures. In first picture, the boy is seeing the photo frame. The name of the boy is Zapu. In second picture, the girl is listening to the music. Her name is Selvi. In third picture, the boy is playing with the teddy bear. He is touching it. His name is David. Fourth picture, the girl is smelling the food, samosa. Her name is Fatima. And in last picture, the boy is tasting the food. He is Sharandeep. Below that, the note is given for the teacher. I will read it quickly. Children will be aware of their sense organs such as eyes, ears, and nose and their functions. However, they may not relate tasting to the tongue or feeling to the skin. Give specific attention to these. The objective here is not only to tell them about the specific functions performed by the sense organs, but also the variety of sounds, smells, and tastes that can be detected. So children, these all things we have covered in our explanation part. Let us go to the next page, that is page number 88. Use the words given in the box to fill in the blanks. Now I have already written the answers. You can copy down those by pausing the video. After you complete this, you can start again reading. Let us read this. The words are SEEC, TASTE, taste, HEAR, hear, SMELL, smell, FEEL, feel. Number 1. Zapu can see the painting with his eyes. Number 2. Selvi can hear music with her ears. 3. David can feel that the teddy bear is soft. 4. Fatima can smell the food with her nose. Number 5. Sharandeep can taste the food with his tongue. Now children, here you must have observed that I am pronouncing the word taste in different way. See, TEST, test, that is any test or exam, and TASTE, taste, means we need to taste the food. So if you pronounce it in different ways, you will memorize it. Okay, let us go to next. Seeing, hearing, tasting, smelling, and feeling are your five senses. Seeing. Look out of the window. Write down the names of three things that you can see. Write down their colors too. Also, write down if they are far or near. Now children, this you have to do as homework. Your eyes help you to see things around you. You can see their colors too. You can see if they are far or near. Let us go to next page, page number 89. During the day, the sun gives light. You can see things clearly in the light of the sun. Walk into a dark room. Can you see anything in the room? Switch on the light. Can you see now? You need light to see things clearly. Hearing. You hear with your ears. Your ears hear various sounds. Some sounds are pleasant. Some sounds are unpleasant. Some sounds are soft. Some sounds are loud. Violin is shown in the picture. The sound of the violin is pleasant. Tasting. Your tongue tells you what type of food you are eating. It helps you to taste. Try tasting these foods. Sweet, salty, bitter, sour. Let us go to page number 90. Smelling. Your nose helps you to smell things. A rose smells nice. Garbage smells bad. Even children, as shown in the pictures, dirty water, smoke, they have bad smell. Correct? Now, let us read the next one. A snake cannot taste with its tongue. It uses its tongue to smell. Yes, it uses its tongue to smell and to sense or to feel. Okay? Then below that, feeling. Tell your friend to touch you very lightly on your hands, legs and hair. You can feel the touch on your hands and legs. You cannot feel the touch on the hair. You can feel the touch wherever there is skin on the body. Yes, children, this is also very important part. The hair do not have cover of the skin, and that is why we can't feel. You can feel with your skin. You can feel if something is soft or hard. Let us go to the next page, page number 91. You can also feel if it is smooth or rough. You can feel if it is hot or cold. So here the pictures are shown which tell us how and what do we feel. Below that, there are two questions. Number 1. Close your eyes and ask your friend to give you something to eat. Can you say what you are eating? Do you need your eyes to taste? Yes, children. So you see now, by closing our eyes we can taste, because we are using tongue to taste the things. So we don't need eyes to taste. Correct? Number 2. Rohit was standing near a fish market while waiting for his school bus. He had to use a handkerchief to cover his nose. Why? Now children, as you all know, the dead fish, it gives us odor. जब मछली रहती है जो बिकने के लिए लोग लाते हैं, उसकी स्मेल अच्छी नहीं होती. So whenever we can sense or we feel the bad odor, whenever we smell any bad odor, we keep handkerchief or we cover nose with the handkerchief. So that is why Rohit had to use the handkerchief. Correct? Now let us revise the lesson quickly. The 5 senses in your body are seeing, hearing, tasting, smelling and feeling. You see with your eyes, hear with your ears, taste with your tongue, smell with your nose and feel with your skin. So children, here we have completed reading part. We will meet in the next session or video. Till that time, stay healthy, stay safe. Try to sense everything and stay home.